Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sharpen a video in CapCut PC. So there are a few ways, well, two ways to do it. You can either go to effects and go to video effects and go to smart sharpen. If you can't find it, it is under lens, I think, here, and just adjust it till the end of your video. But if it looks kind of weird, maybe the filter is on a little bit, you can adjust the blur as well, the range, and like the sharpen bit here. So maybe put the range at 200, and as you can see, it is a little bit sharper. Just has a weird effect on the background. I don't really like this one, but I go to adjustments usually and go to adjustment, add in a customize adjustment, and here's where I can sharpen the video as well here, and it doesn't look that weird to me, honestly. You can also adjust the coloring of it just to make it sharper. I don't know, it is up to you, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!